Okay, y'all, I'm back with another video. Today in this video, I'm actually going to be, as y'all see, I have a whole bunch of white chocolate caramel cookie dough. They were in balls, as you can see in here, but of course, the balls kind of stuck together. And I got to reweigh them and put them back in another bag laying flat. So that's what I'm going to be doing. Like I said, these are salted caramel white chocolate cookies, and these are some of the cookies that I ship to, so, and make the cookie boxes out of, but I got to redo them, y'all. Trying to be like somebody else on social media and put their cookies in the bag like that, and mine did not work that way. So I'm gonna redo them. So like I said, watch me while I redo them. But the reason why I'm doing this, of course, make sure that you, of course, pick up. I have to use a scale. This is the scale. It's going to be linked in the video so that you can pick up your scale too. And it just doesn't weigh cookies. It weighs anything that you need to weigh, whether it's flour, sugar, anything to bake the cookies with. If you have a candle business, you need to weigh your candles, the wax that you're putting in. Like I said, it works all across the board for anything that you need to weigh. In the kitchen, food-wise and non-food-wise. So you can pick you up, like I said, one in the link to the video. So let me go ahead and get started, y'all, because it's going to take me a while. Okay, y'all, like I said, pick up y'all one of these scales. Like I said, I'll link it down below. But like I said, this is what's helping me keep my business and my cookie business up and running, to make sure that every cookie that I make is the same weight. As you saw, 5 ounces, I think it's 5.01 ounces, but it's kind of hard sometimes to get directly on 5 ounces, but it's still a 5-ounce cookie. So like I said, those are the kind I put in my cookie box. So I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest of these. I hope y'all enjoyed at least seeing this part of the process and how I do things. So y'all, in the next video, I'll check y'all out. Peace out, y'all.